3.
Okay, we're on Unit 1. Outcome 2, understand ways to maintain a safe and supportive learning environment. And AC 2.1, explain ways to maintain a safe and supportive learning environment. That's the assessment criteria. That's in the qualification specification. And the question that the awarding organisation has asked, so that you can meet that criteria, is explain the ways a trainer should maintain a safe and supportive learning environment. So simple. It's got a lot of content. Now I've used a particular model here for part of that, Maslow's hierarchy. I covered this very, very quickly. You might want to expand on that. It's not a requirement, but understanding Maslow is very important when it comes to looking at learner needs. What do you need to do as a tutor? You need to promote things like valuing the contributions, build the self-esteem of your learners. As a tutor, you need to communicate effectively. That's using a whole range of techniques like body language, using a student's name when they come return, using a name when you address them during the period of teaching, during the lesson, using positive open body language, using gestures, using eye contact. These are all methods in which you can make each individual student feel valued, and this maintains a supportive environment. Safe environment comes from obeying health and safety law, from setting the ground rules. This relates to ground rules again. Students have set ground rules, they've set boundaries, they feel safe because those boundaries are in place. Giving learners ownership, ensuring enough resources, promote inclusion. These are all ways that you can maintain a safe and supportive environment. Looking at these things related to Maslow's hierarchy, I'm not going to go into details on Maslow, but give praise when it's due. Be enthusiastic. Promote optimism. Be positive. Treat learners fairly. Be professional at all times. You could link this to your standards. It would be a requirement of the standards. Maintain confidentiality. Follow the safety rules. There's certain things which on this activity have ended up in the wrong place, however. Challenging unacceptable behaviour has been put in the would be bad for learning and motivation column. It is your job to challenge unacceptable behaviour if the students don't do it themselves by peer pressure. You're God in the training room, so it's up to you to challenge unacceptable behaviour. They may have set the rules, you're there to enforce them, although sometimes that can be difficult. And here we've got challenge rule breaking. Again, it's in the bad for learning and motivation column when it should be in the good for learning and motivation column, because breaking the rules that have been set has to be challenged. If it isn't challenged by the group themselves, it needs to be challenged by you. Maybe not in an open forum, maybe quietly at break time. But all this serves to motivate the student, makes a safe and supportive learning environment, and a motivated student in a safe and secure environment is much more likely to achieve. Thank you.